Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. Today we are going to do a honey drizzle cake. But first, let's forget to make a cup of tea. Be right back. Right. So today I am testing out making a cooking video on a GoPro Hero 11 or something. So you shall need 100 grams of melted salted butter, an egg, I forgot to put it in frame, brown sugar, either self-raising, I haven't given you weights, 100 grams, 150 grams of self-raising flour. So as you're used to me doing, I do that and baking powder. Honey, because otherwise it's not going to be a honey cake. Ground mixed spice, which is a mixture of cinnamon, coriander, dill, ginger, cloves and nutmeg. So if you don't like any of those, just make your own. Well, make your own. It's just being easy. You will need a loaf tin, which, where does that come up? You will need to grease, so I have actually used my old pack of butter and just smeared it around and put some paper in there like that. You could probably do a better job, but that will do for me. Am I forgetting anything? 100 millilitres of milk, which I haven't got out. I'm very prepared today, as you can tell. Ow, I've just grazed my hand. Right, let's begin. This is going to be where I find out I've done the wrong option previously. So I have whisked all this. Now it needs to go into a lined tin. That does seem to be a bit too loose. Now I have no second hand to. Oh dear, this is going brilliantly. This is going so brilliantly, I haven't even got you in shot. Right, so this now needs to go into the oven. It says for about 45 minutes. I have put this a bit lower to try and stop the top burning. This should be 45 minutes, but use a skewer. Well, I'll show you when I come to check it. Right. Be right back after a cup of tea. Right, so this is now cooked. It's coming out cleanly. This does seem to be very soft, which I wasn't expecting, but now I just need to leave that to cool. Right, so the cake should now be nice and cool. Oh, hang on. That doesn't feel like it wants to break apart. This might be a complete fail. And again, I'm having problems with this tripod. Right. That is very delicate. Now, for the drizzle, this is 25 grams of butter. I've had to put a bit of salt in it as I completely missed the recipe called for salted butter, and 25 grams of honey. So this now needs to be drizzled over the top. We need some light. There's some more light. So now it's just a case of drizzling on the top and leaving it to set, which I might I might put in the fridge. Yeah, this is not a very good drizzle, but this is well, I'm using a cup, which probably isn't the best thing. I'm going to smear it in. I don't think you actually should do, but never mind. Right, so let's cut a bit of the cake off. And let's give it a go. Oh, actually, this is still too warm. Never mind. Right, so let's give that a taste. Honey just makes everything better. So I'm out of tea again. It's been a slight disaster, but we'll soon be back to regular service. But for now, definitely give that a go. You can probably do a bit better presentation than me. Yeah, sure.